Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. We got some chicken thighs. Let's make some jalapeno bombs. Alright, check me out. I got my chicken thighs washed up, had it dry. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna poke some holes in them. All over. Just like that. And then we're gonna add it to our mojito lime marinade. And then we're gonna vacuum seal it off. And if you don't have a vacuum seal bag, a regular bag will do. Just make sure you get all the air out, squeeze all the air out. It'll work just as nice. Now that I got my chicken thighs all vacuum sealed, we're gonna take it over to the refrigerator and let it chill out for about 2 or 3 hours. In the meantime, we can work on this cilantro lime sauce. These are the ingredients that we're gonna use for our cilantro lime sauce. Got some sea salt, cumin, sour cream. We're gonna use some lime juice, a little bit of lemon juice, the lime zest, black pepper, garlic, and cilantro. We're gonna throw all these ingredients into a blender and mix it up. Alright, dropping my sour cream in. I got about 2 cups. Then I'm gonna drop my garlic. My lime juice with lemon zest, or sorry, lime zest. A little bit of cumin. Cilantro. Black pepper. Salt. Mix it up. Once all those ingredients are blended up, I put it in a squeeze bottle. Looks something like this. The consistency should look like this. Not too thick, not too thin, just right. Alright y'all, it's been about 3 hours. That means we can take these chicken thighs and send them over to the grill. Got my chicken thighs off, looking all beautiful. We're gonna let this cool down for a little bit. But in the meantime, we're gonna work on these jalapenos. We're gonna take a little bit of oil, some salt. We're gonna mix this up. We're gonna send this over to the grill, get a little blister on it, let those insides work its magic, and then we'll bring it back inside. Alright, I'm gonna let these jalapenos cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna start shredding up our chicken and getting that filling together. Alright, I got my chicken thighs all shredded up. For our filling, we're gonna add some cream cheese. I took 2 chipotles, added a little bit of chicken broth. I'm gonna put that in there. Then I got some Colby Jack cheese shredded myself. And then we got some pepper jack. And some bacon. We're gonna mix all this up, and then we're gonna add it to our jalapenos. I forgot to mention, we're gonna add a little cayenne to there and mix it up again. I cut the jalapenos in half, left some of the seeds inside. We're gonna take that filling, load them up. As you can see, I got my filling all up in those jalapenos. Looking beautiful already. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna pull it out, dip it in a batter, and fry them off. For the batter, I used 1 cup flour, 1 cup cornstarch. Then I took a Dos Equis and mixed it in. As you can see right there. And take my jalapenos and drop them in the oil. We're gonna let that fry off until they're golden brown. I forgot to mention, I added some onion powder, garlic powder, and some more cayenne to that batter. Whoo! Those jalapeno bombs with that cilantro lime sauce. You see it? Stay tuned.